Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Tripathi Aditya Prakash and today I'm going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT in data analytics and various prompts for it so that you can supercharge your work at work basically and other places too, and how you can enhance your data analytics projects, which is AI powered now. Technically not reading anything, which is very unlikely because of our jobs. So data analytics and ChatGPT basically is how we can automate and inspire part of our data analytics workflow and pipelines. So it's basically just like having a virtual assistant from brainstorming, coding, and exploring the various data concepts, statistical concepts that are there. So the first prompt that I'll give you guys is for generating ideas. So the prompt goes like this: generate data analysis projects ideas related to, you can type in industry slash topic, or you can just write one of them. Prompt will help you brainstorm fresh ideas that you haven't thought for your projects. So this was more of like a personal project kind of thing, but now let's talk about second one, that is SQL queries, which is very good for us. We'll go like this: write an SQL prompt to find specific information from a given table or a data set. So what this will do is it will help you construct complex SQL queries quickly, and you don't need to go back and forth to cross check it. I mean, you will have to, but it will be like it's a lot automated. You don't have to write everything manually. So the third one is very important, is data cleaning. That is 80% of a job. So that goes like provide tips for cleaning specific type of data. So this specific type of data you have to provide. So what it will do is, when you're stuck in pre-processing or cleaning of your data, this will give you tips and tricks also to how to actually do it, and it will even give you codes if you'll try to do it. Fourth prompt, which is for visualization, goes like this: suggest ways to visualize specific data. You have to mention that data here for intended audience, like a non-technical CEO or anyone like that. So what this will do, it will propose you creative and effective data visualization strategies that you can use for that particular audience set. So you don't have to create a generic for all of them. You can be very specific, and it's really helpful. I used it a lot. Fifth prompt, that is explaining the statistical concept. You have to know that. Suppose like explain statistical concept, the particular concept you want, in a simple term. So it's useful for brushing up your stats skill. Of course, it gets a lot of skills you keep on forgetting. So it will tell you and explain those concepts in non technical kind of way, and even you can give them to your boss and stuff to understand it like in a simple term. They will also be happy, yo, I got a technical term with me. So with chat gpt prompts, again, it's a very basic ones that I've given you, but you can go very specific and get many good responses from it, but you'll have to go very specific. So don't shy away, refine and iterate these prompts based on the responses that you get, and keep on talking about it. And as a full-time data analyst, I found them very helpful. I hope that you find them invaluable for your workflow also, as well as creativity. And yeah, give them a try. Let me know and comment down below your experience. I'm more than happy to read those comments, even though I don't get that many because I'm really small right now. But yeah, and thank you for watching. Again, I really thank you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other people that are interested in this.